welcome back to Texan Shaves. Today we're going to be shaving with something I brought back from the Maggots meetup, and that is Daniela Malou. This is Latte. And I've got a little bit of a sales blurb here to read, which I'm going to in a second, but I'm going to show you the rest of it. I do also have the splash, and I did have an opportunity to pick up the EDP as well. Stuff smells amazing. Some of the rest of the hardware. Now, along with the Daniela Malou release, he also commissioned Trotter to make a few brushes, and I think I've shown this in some of the photos, but I haven't shown it in the video yet. I asked Peter if he would bring me one of those to the meetup, and I purchased it from him, but I do have one of the Latte brushes made by Trotter Handcrafts, and this thing is beautiful. This video is not going to do it justice. It is incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and get that soaking while I'm talking about the soap and splash. I have yet to use that brush at all, so we're going to soak that for a little bit. I also have something else I got from Maggots that I'll be using today. And a lot of you know that I won a titanium timeless from the Razor Emporium meetup. And it was everything I wanted. It was the 0.95. It had the crown handle, everything except I want the scallop top cap and the scallop base plate. Well, that's what I picked up at Maggots. I've got the scallop top cap, scallop base plate. It is the 0.95. And since I already have a crown handle, well, I had two crown handles. I since have given one away. I decided to get a different handle, and I cannot remember the name of this one. I'm sorry, but it's a little shorter and it's a little fatter, but I do like this handle a lot too, so that's what we're going to be using. We're going to be doing a head shave today. So while that's soaking, let's talk a little bit about the soap and splash. So Latte Menta, it's the latest addition to the Daniela Malou lineup. Ariana Evans proudly presents Latte Menta, an exquisite fragrance crafted exclusively for our Daniela Malou luxury shaving soap collection. So, a story of inspiration. Beneath the golden Roman sun, the Malou family welcomed me with open arms and a drink that embodied the essence of Italy, Latte Menta. That first sip was a revelation, creamy, cool, and nostalgic, evoking childhood summers and generations of tradition. Before I left, the patriarch gifted me a bottle of their treasured mint syrup with a request: create something that carries its soul. And so Latte Menta was born, an artisanal fragrance crafted from the finest materials designed to transport you to that unforgettable moment. So the fragrance is a masterpiece of precision. This is not merely a creamy mint accord, it is a meticulously composed symphony of luxury ingredients blended entirely in-house for unparalleled depth and sophistication. Has a creamy milk base with rich lactonic notes smothered in ambergris and a velvety skin-like warmth. Wooden elegance has guaiac wood, hinoki wood, lend refined, slightly smoky depth, perfectly balancing the sweetness. Guaiac wood was chosen for its light, creamy character. Vibrant mint, a fusion of spearmint essential oil and peppermint essential oil, bright, cooling, and irresistibly authentic. And then a powdery softness, a delicate touch of iris and powdery notes completes the composition. So that's what we're going to be using. I have not used this yet. And of course, these come in the incredibly full 200 gram jar. Just to show you, I'm going to show you the side. Look how full that is all the way to the rim. This thing is packed. So if I remember correctly, these are actually more than 200 grams. This is a lifetime of soap with a legacy base. So let me make some room here. And let's wring that brush out. And we're going to brush load out of the jar here. Oh, that smells so good. You do get the milky lactonic notes that he's talking about. It is not overpowering. It just it's a very subtle. And that mint. And then there's a clean freshness. And I think that's the powdery note I'm getting. To me, it gives it kind of a clean, fresh note that I like. And that is going to be plenty on that brush. So let's set that aside. Let's get the glasses off, get the head wet. And let's get this shave going. I have a first use Filoso, and I have about 24 hours growth. And that was that Icon razor. I don't know if y'all know, I purchased an Icon Tech, which is supposedly an extremely aggressive razor. which caught my eye, so I decided to try it, and it did give me a little bite there that's still healing. Still healing, if I could talk. All right, that should be good. And let's go to it. If you do not own any of the Legacy base, which of course now there is only 2 of, there is Legacy, which is the Daniela Malou Legacy, and then now the Latte and Menta. It is an incredible, incredible base. Definitely need to try it. Get some more water. It is a very thirsty soap. Can take a ton of water. So scent strength off the soap, it's about a 4.5. These fragrances aren't that powerful off the soap, which is fine because the magic happens in the splash, and the EDP especially. Looks like I might be lathering this for a little bit, guys. I believe I overloaded that brush. It does not take much of this at all. And I know that. I don't know why. But when I'm talking, sometimes I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. It's looking pretty good. Getting there. I'm going to need a little bit more water on this side. There we go. Yeah, that's going to be it. Beautiful. Again, it was a pleasure, Peter, to meet you once again at the Maggots Meetup. Had a blast, and then again the next day at TRC. If you've never met Peter, try to make a meetup. He is amazing to meet and talk to. Wealth of shaving knowledge. He loves to share information about his products, and just an all-around great guy. A lot of fun. Blowing this razor up. I have not used this razor yet. I have used the open comb that I had. And I say had because, yeah, I gave it to a friend once I got this one. Oh, I like this razor. Super slick. Man, A&E soap is so good. So I have tried the EDP, and this fragrance is a banger, guys. Man, this is one of my favorite razors. I'm so glad I finally got the one I wanted with the scalloped caps and solid bar. I don't know why I waited so long. It took me to win one at Razor Emporium to finally pull the trigger on buying the one I want, right? I'm just sometimes not in a hurry because I have so much. And I think I mentioned this in a previous video when I talked about the meetup. You know, I went with the idea I was buying hardware only this trip. And of course, I bought a lot more than just, I only bought 2 pieces of hardware. I bought a lot more. With Latte and Mente being part of that. I picked up Latte and Mente full set, and I picked up the Spanish Steps and the Capo, which those are currently only released in Europe through A&E. But I believe they will be coming out soon. I will be having a video of them soon. Fantastic. Oh, that's perfect. Jeez. Just a little in my usual. Got these one areas that I just have to go different directions. All right. That's it. All right, we're gonna get back now. So again, all this is just bringing back memories of Maggots. Such a fantastic time, outstanding. I was watching Joe Dean's video from Subtle Art Soaps, and he did his little recap on Maggots, and it just brought back all the memories again. Made me thinking about how good a time it was, and I can't wait to go again next year already. And it's just been a week, right? It was so much fun. That's the one. If you can make it, that's the one to go to. If you ever plan to go to one, plan for Maggots. Wow, that was such a good shave. Not much cleanup. Just a little on the nape of my neck. That's it. Very good shave. Wow. This razor killed it. All right, let me get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Oh man, nothing like a shave towel fresh out of the dryer. I just washed all my shave towels, pulled them out of the dryer, then came in here to do this video. Wow, that was a great shave. One little spot back here, I got a little close. Had a little bit of burn when I was rinsing off. But not bad. Yeah. Today's Sunday, guys. I didn't even go out. I didn't show my face in public today. This is all natural today. Definitely get to see how long this is now, covering my mouth. It's crazy. All right. Yeah, so let's get some splash going. These bottles. He went frosted with these. I like the clear bottle, but the frosted is kind of classy too. Good choice. Good choice there, Peter. I feel like I'm going to drop it shaking it though. All right. Oh, that smells so good. I think you can probably use all you want since there is so much in those bottles. Ooh, that mint really pops out. Woo, that's a little burn. Got a good close shave, didn't I? Ooh, yeah. Wow. That milky mint. That's the main two things. And I do get the creaminess that he's talking about from the wood. I don't really get the wood that much. Maybe in the dry down I'll get it, but I'm just getting a nice light milk and mint. It's just a creamy mint. It is wonderful. Oh, wow. That is so good. Oh, man. That was... I used a little bit of the EDP. I sprayed just a little bit on my wrist when I got it just to check it out. This was stuff I had shipped to me. I just received it the other day from Maggots because I didn't want to fly with all of this. I still have my box from TRC showing up tomorrow. But, man, this is so much more. Maybe just because of how much I use versus the little bit of squirt I did with the EDP, but... Oh, that smells amazing. That's kind of blowing my mind, Peter. This is so good. Oh, I'm going to have to try that drink. I'm going to have to look up a recipe, I think. All right, guys. That's all I got. That's Latte Mente in the Daniela Malou collection from Ariana Evans, and it is a banger. It is wonderful. I love it. Do I like it better than Legacy? I would say it's right up there with it. I don't think one's better than the other. I think it's different enough. It's kind of in its own category. I was personally, I'll be honest with you, I'm weird about milk scents, just like I am with peach scents now, peach fragrances. So I was a little on the fence about it, but when I smelled it, I was glad I was able to get my nose on it. It's another reason why I like going to meetups and going to these shave shops, because I can get my nose on it. I don't have to blind buy something. And I was able to get my nose on it, and that's what sold me. And I did have the sample, but I'll be honest with you, and I know some others had this same experience that said no after receiving the sample, but when they smelled it out of the tub, totally changed your mind. Sharp Shaver is one of them. When I smelled the sample, I thought it was okay. But when I smelled it out of the tub at Magritt's Meetup, I was like, oh, I have to have this. It was completely different. I don't know if there was something with the sample or if it was just the fragrance faded from just being in an envelope in a sample, which is probably more likely the thing. But you might want to give this one a try, even if you got the sample and didn't care for it. Maybe you have a friend that can send you a fresh sample out of the tub. But yeah. To me, it was different enough that it was a must buy at Magritt's even though I had the sample of this that was sent out to me. So that's where I'm going with that. Long story long, right? Guys, find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.